What's going on, everyone? Devin Derrito here. So I'm back on another video. So in this video, I'll just be looking at Git merging conflicts. And as you can see on the screen, this happens when changes have been made to the master branch while also making changes to the new branch you've created. And you want to merge the new branch that you've created to the master branch, considering the fact that like the head of that asterisk you're seeing on the screen on the master branch, if the changes were made on the master branch, then you do a git checkout to the branch that you're working on. Let's say the developer branch, or in this case, as you can see on the screen, is the conflicting branch. Then you make changes there. Then you try to merge them. You'll get a conflict to give you that error message. Merge conflict and readme. Automatic merge fails. Fix the conflicts and then commit the result. So following up, as you can see on the screen, this is an example of a git merge conflict. So you have version 1 of the software that they are working on, John and Bob. Then you'll see John has created his branch where he's working on it separately, then on a feature. Then you have Bob creating another branch working on a separate feature. So both of these guys modified the file services.html, for example. Then when they want to join their changes, you will get a conflict there because there are two iterations, but you want to make it like one iteration. So as you can see, while merge conflicts happen, and this is a regular occurrence, especially when you're working on group projects. You will encounter merge conflicts, and also you have to know how to resolve these merge conflicts. So as you can see on Bob's end, Bob resolved the conflicts and pushed the changes. So in this video, I'll make an attempt to show how you go about this and how to be able to get around it when this occurs, because it's going to be a regular occurrence, especially working on collaborated projects, because you'll have a project where you have even 10, 15 contributors to the same repository on GitHub and using Git. So how you will be able to manage merge conflicts, it will be something very essential, and it's a very good skill to know how to use them. So then moving on, completing merge line, change merge conflict. So this is directly from the GitHub docs. So to resolve a merge conflict caused by completing line changes, you must choose which change to incorporate from the different branches to a new commit. For example, if you and another person both edited the file, style guide MD on the same line in different branches on the same Git repository, you'll get a merge conflict error when you try to merge these branches. So you must resolve this merge conflict with a new commit before you can merge these branches. So yeah, moving forward, you open the terminal, navigate to the local Git repository that has the merge conflict. So you will cd to there. When you run a git status, it will tell you the exact file that was modified and the one that's exhibiting some conflict. As you can see on the screen, you run a git status, you will see that. Then open the file using vi or emacs. In this case, you're just gonna stick to the terminal and just use. Preferably, I like using vi. And when you open that file, you'll see it has those less than, greater than symbols, then the head, then the greater than, equal, then a. So what you'll do is you will erase them. To see the beginning of the merge conflict in your file, search the file for the conflict marker. When you open the file in your editor, you'll see the changes from the head or base branch of the line. Next, you'll see the equal sign, which divides your changes from the changes of the other branch, followed by that greater than equal sign, then branch name. It will give you the branch name. In this example, one person wrote open an issue in the base of or head branch, and the other person wrote ask your question in IRC to compare the branch in the compare branch or branch A. So you can see there are two changes there. So what you need to do is erase less than greater than head, the equal sign, and the greater than equal in the branch. When you do that, when you have done, you have erased, you do a git add. When you do a git add, you do a git commit. Even you don't have to put a commit message, but you can. Then you do a git push. When you do that, you will see on your GitHub, when you go to your GitHub repository after you've done a git push, it will be successful and it will show you that the merge has been successful. Then when you go to GitHub, the GitHub repository in question, then you go to insights, networks, you'll see that that branch that you branched out has merged to the main/master branch. And that is what is important. So what's important to know is you have to identify the file that you do a git status. It will identify the file that has the conflict. Then what you'll do is you open that file, then you erase the part where you're seeing the head, the equal signs, and the greater than equal is the branch name. If you erase that, then you add, you'll be able to resolve the conflict using the terminal, using the text editor and terminal. And when you commit the changes, you'll see in the network, if you go to the repository, in the network, in the insights, then network, you'll see like that branch is already connected to the main. So that's how you do it. So yeah, man. If you guys like the video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up because it helps me out a ton. Leave a comment down below in the comment section on what you think about git merge, because a lot of videos have been made about this specific topic. I would highly recommend watching the Net Ninja. He actually came in and helped me on a couple of projects when I really wanted to know about git merge, and also Corey Schaefer as well. So, but I like Net Ninja. He has very good videos, explainer videos. So yeah, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, because I'll be dropping videos, informing videos soon. And yeah, man, happy coding.